And we're driving of a rather different kind now, and certainly of a much faster kind, because the world's leading racing driver, Ayrton Senna of Brazil, paid a surprise visit to the Welsh Motorsport Centre at Pembrey in Dyfed today. 28-year-old Senna has been testing a new engine, which his team, McLaren International, plan to use next season. And later, the Brazilian praised the toughness of the West Wales circuit.
Here at Pembrey, the rare and spectacular sight of the world's top driver burning up Welsh tarmac. Ayrton Senna leading the Formula One World Championship table by 3 points, with 7 Grand Prix wins already under his belt, has spent the day in West Wales testing a new engine. Senna was here in semi-secrecy on the recommendation of his next-door neighbour in Monte Carlo, Mauricio Gugelman. Today, Senna broke the lap record at Pembrey set by his fellow Brazilian by covering the 1.5 miles in a remarkable 44.43 seconds. So what's his verdict on this circuit?
The surface at the circuit is very smooth. It's a high grip surface, so it's nice to drive. It's quite twisty, so it's demanding. Every corner, one after the other, is very demanding, so you have to put a lot of effort, physical and mental concentration all the time. And it's a short lap, but I think for testing is a good circuit.
With Senna was an entourage of nearly 60 people, from engine makers Honda and his team McLaren International. He'll be at the Portuguese Grand Prix this weekend, but the V10 engine is being tested for next season, when turbo has to give way to engines which are normally aspirated. Attracting the world's best team and driver is a matter of enormous pride for Llanelli Borough Council, who own the circuit. Officials are staggered at the way their lap record was broken at speeds of around 120 miles an hour.
Obviously very exciting and no hold bars for the future, I would say. We've had a number of Formula One teams interested. Benetton, Arrows, March have been coming regularly. But to see McLaren come right at the top very early on is very exciting.
Yes, an exciting and noisy day down at Pembrey today.